important for the market of people with disabilities, and that is because currently with Impact, they are working on campus typically, but we want to create a liaison for businesses, especially fitness facilities in the Corvallis community, to have these participants in their facilities using their equipment with their trainers and staff, educating them, as well as providing an opportunity for them to be outside of campus and on their own. So they're kind of missing the mark right now. 17% of Oregon, the population of Oregon has 17% of it with people with disabilities, and so there's a large market for it, but a lot of it comes from a lack of education. So currently we're actually partnered with Timber Hill Athletic Club. They have a space open for our participants. They can go anytime, and at this time 0 participants have come. And so the way that the Adapted Bike program works is that we are the liaison with the fitness facility to educate them, to help them, give them resources for what they need to provide services for these participants. So with the program, I have a full pool of participants ready to go. It's 20 right now, and there's a wait list of 5, which you also saw on the deliverable. And that need we could take those wait list participants if we had something for them to do where they are phasing out that buddy system. So as they are attending classes, specifically spin classes, hopefully in the winter, they are phasing out that buddy and becoming more independent in that facility. They're getting more rapport with the instructors are now knowing them. And so over this period of time, we can accept more participants because they are now being active on their own in this environment that we have kind of facilitated for them. So that's kind of the goal with the bike program. Why a bike program versus another sport? Corvallis, as I'm sure you've seen, has plenty of bike events. There's one called the Spring Roll, which is for kids under the age of 12, so it doesn't directly impact our participants, but it's something around Cloverland Park, and it's really cool, as well as Open Streets Corvallis. So that's a really big event that happens where they block off a few blocks. They did it the day before the eclipse this last summer, but it's an opportunity for the community to kind of come together, be active, hang out with their families and friends, and be in Corvallis together. So we want to facilitate that kind of partnership, so we aren't remaking the wheel and providing opportunities for these participants, but we are facilitating them to these events and also helping the event out because we're reaching a population that they may not be extending towards. So the ultimate goal of the bike program is to have a bike share program where participants can come and use adapted bikes, which can tend to be very costly. And so I'm hoping to partner with Go Baby Go, a program that works on adaptation, and so kind of finding different solutions to adapt bikes that may not be as costly as traditional adaptations.